Welcome to the 375 Dance Studio 4-week dance program. Whether you are looking for a fun way to stay active, something new, or to reconnect with your body, this program is for you. No prior dance experience is required. This step-by-step program offers daily 30-minute workouts structured around the syllabus of popular ballroom dances like the waltz, cha-cha, and jive. Each session is crafted to help you develop a healthy workout routine while mastering foundational dance techniques. In addition to the daily workouts, you'll get access to detailed step breakdowns so you can learn each move at your own pace. Plus, we've included supplemental videos to help you refine your technique and grow your confidence. Don't wait. This price is only available for a limited time. Invest in your health, reconnect with your body, and experience the joy of dance. Let's get moving together. Join us today.